Order for India the other night with the removal of a wonderful player over the years for New Zealand, and Rahul Mitchell. Shaheen Shah Afridi, left arm fast. Oh, he's got it to swing straight away. Well bowled, that's all right. Oh, he's gone after him. Hasn't quite got that. And he runs in every single ball. There's no question that he's gets the Yorker in. Well, ball, they've all gone out. They've go, that was. Well, that's through. That should be 4 runs, and it will be 4. First boundary of the innings. 2 gone, 7 for no wicket. It's a good line, but it... short and wide and through for 4. That's a slap through extra. What an extraordinary shot. He's got away with that. 3 dot balls. Just a single. Just dropped it short. And that's been hit away for a boundary. 21 for naught. Oh, lofted. That's a great looking shot. It's got plenty on it for 6. Oh, Gupta looking to make some... short of a length. Oh, he's changed the pace as well, again. Oh, goodness, that's a good shot. Unfortunately, Hassan Ali's committed the cardinal sin. He's overstepped. Gets the Yorker in, well bowled. That's a...
He's batted all of his career at 5, 6 and 7. Brilliant start. What a... Oh, off the pad onto the stumps. Harris Ralph strikes, that's quick. Quickly back onto the stumps from Guptill. And he's now gone for 17.
In front from mid-on to deep fine leg on the onside. So this is what happens. You slant the ball in.
Mitchell on the pull.
And it doesn't have to be with the big shots.
Whips that one away and picks up his first boundary, does Kane Williamson. Angle in from Harris Ralph, finishes the power play, 42 for 1. Set all batting records at a very high. Oh, that's tight, no run there. Brilliant from... Read that well, found the finish as well too, does Shadab out. Chance, is it? No, he's got it too well. I think you completely... This time will be out, it will be out. Fakhr Zaman. Fakhr at long on. New Zealand lose their second. Rahul Mitchell on his way back for 27. Oh, that's tight. Too tight, you would think. Nisham straight away goes out towards mid-wicket. Chance taken again. Fakhr gets in the way. Pouches another one.
So he's gone for a single. 56 for 3.
Struck. Straight away. Williamson gets that. Might be a couple.
So if there is something in it for the...
Wins and losses. And that...
They haven't really given it the width. Mark Guptill had to make room. Very much attacking at the stumps. You and Alan Wilkins were out there earlier doing the pitch report.
No ball. Again. They're going to go home. Off the stumps. Got to take the... Now he thought about it. It's been kept. Wants to come upstairs though, and let's check this out.
Okay, just roll it forward. Okay, there's a spike there, this screen. You can make your signal now.
Before.
Played, but he would have liked to time that ball, Kane Williamson.
Up and away.
Been bowling his second over.
It's still enough on it. He's going to hold on to the strike. Shut up. Beautifully played, but he's picked the man out. You're looking for LBs, bulbs.
And what can he do now? Simple piece of fielding. Missed.
Pleasure. D. Conway, this is a beauty. Much needed here for the Black Caps. Reversing from boundaries. Oh, what a good over. And to the surface, well bowled. Hit, gone! Oh, he's too quick. I think Williamson's all right. 5 from 26. It is 90 for 4 now. Who's hustling on the button. Maybe height. And again, fired up. World Cups.
Hassan Ali now looking for the Yorker. They're going to push for 2 here. That's all right. Slower ball, but oh, that slips out of the side of the into the surface. Oh, that's picked up well. That's picked up. There's the. Oh, he's drilled this. Goodness, that's a. Oh, really well bowled. He's. Oh, picked up nicely, but he finds the man. It's another very good catch.
Shaheen the other night, Harris Ralph tonight. 13 for Phillips.
Oh, that's a good shot. That is a... Oh, slower ball, and it's found with a limp. 8 for Seifert. Santner, oh, struck. Good looking shot. The bowling consultant coach, and he'll be pleased with this. Knocks him over with a... And it's a change of pace.
From Pakistan all round.